Now let's move on to defining a relationship between the visit and the billings table. So in our relationships group here on the design tab, we are going to select show table, and our show table dialog box will open up. And you can see here that that is opened up, and we want to make sure that the billing table is selected in the tables tab, which it is. Then we're going to click the add button and then the close button to close the show table dialog box. So let's go ahead and add that. And you can see the billing table is opened up there. We'll hit close. Now we have all of our field lists here for our billing table, but we can't see everything, so let's just go down here until our arrow comes a double arrow, click our mouse button, and then we'll drag it down so we can see all of our available fields. Now we're going to create that relationship, and we're going to click and drag the visit ID field in our visit field because it is a primary key in this table. So we're going to select that, and then we're going to drag that to the visit ID field in the billing table to create our relationship. And you can see our edit relationships box opens up here. And once that edit relations dialog box opens, we're going to once again click the enforce referential integrity. And then we're going to click cascade update related fields once again. We verified that our tables are correct, our field is correct, we have a one-to-many relationship. Now let's go ahead and click the create button. And once you do that, you can see that the completed relationship appears here in our relationship window. As you look here, you can see that as we define both of these relationships, we have connected the data among the three tables here in our Chatham database. Go ahead and click the Save button up here in your Quick Access toolbar. And now we have saved the layout here in our Relationships window. We are going to go ahead and close this by clicking the Close button in our Relationships group here. Now at this point you can go to File and you can compact and repair your database as you did in Tutorial 1. So you go to File. Now we are in what's, if you recall, this is our Backstage view here in Access. Now you need to click on the Compact and Repair button. So once we click that, Access compacts and repairs our Chatham database. With that act completed, you can click File on the File tab and click Close, and you will close your Chatham database as you have completed all of Tutorial 2 in working with your Chatham database, which we will continue to work on in future tutorials. Thank you for joining along, and I hope the video has helped you out in completing this. And as you work on other activities, you can refer back to this to a step that you might have forgotten or just needed a little refresher. Thank you for joining along.